Happy May, everybody! It is the last month of the school year. Whoop, whoop. I'm so proud of you. I know you could do a great job for this last month. And because it's a new month, you have new journals. So here is how you set those up. Don't do your April journal because it's May. Instead, come to Movement Lab Schoology. Go to your small group #1 daily journals. Da, 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 you're welcome. May Journals is in there for you. So then you can open your copy. Remember to hit the edit button. And this is going to be set up for May. Now your job today with Mr. Owen is to open your journal, write your name, and then, so important, bookmark it. Hit the star up here, add bookmark, whatever it looks like. Done. That way it's saved and it's easy to get to every day and you don't have to go to Schoology. Don't bookmark it when you're here in Schoology. Make it big, hit the edit button, and then bookmark it. And then today you don't even have to worry about writing in your journal. I just wanted to get set up so you're ready to go when I'm back Wednesday. If you have extra time because you were so focused, then you can make this journal your own, add some fun pictures. Like, me. I'll probably put like a llama on there. Search the web. Whatever you want. As long as it is school appropriate, you can add some fun things. Okay, I believe in you. Set up your May journal, bookmark it big, decorate it if you have time. This is going to be great. I'll see you soon.